In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom Udemy video with browser controls on desktop. If the player or the surrounding text ever feels too small, there are two simple built-in options you can use without installing anything: your browser's whole page zoom and the Udemy player's full screen mode. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that fits your needs. First, let's use your browser's zoom feature. This enlarges everything on the page at once: the video, the course title, the lecture list, and even subtitles. So it's perfect when you want the entire learning environment to be easier on the eyes. On Chrome, Edge, Brave, Firefox, and Safari, you can zoom in by pressing Ctrl and the plus key, and zoom out by pressing Ctrl and the minus key on Windows or Linux. Tap those shortcuts a few times until the size feels comfortable. If keyboard shortcuts aren't convenient, you can also open your browser's menu and use the zoom controls from there. Keep in mind that as you scale up, some elements might reflow or move a bit. That's normal, and it's a good idea to find a zoom level that keeps controls like captions and the playback bar clearly visible while still giving you a larger view. This method is especially helpful if you're reading notes or browsing the Q&A while watching. Now let's talk about full screen mode, which focuses solely on the video. In the Udemy player, look toward the bottom right corner for the full screen icon. Click it, and the video expands to fill your screen, hiding other page elements so you can focus completely on the lesson. Your essential playback controls stay accessible while you're in full screen, including play and pause, the timeline, volume, captions, and quality settings. When you're done, move your mouse to reveal the controls again and click the same full screen icon to exit, or press the escape key if that's easier. Full screen is ideal when you don't need the course outline or comments and just want the largest possible view of the lecture. To recap the difference, browser zoom enlarges the entire page, which is great for both the video and surrounding content, while full screen enlarges just the video for a distraction-free experience. Both approaches work across major desktop browsers, and you can switch between them at any time depending on what you're doing. One final tip: zooming in makes things bigger, but it doesn't change the video's streaming resolution. If the picture looks soft, open the player's settings and select a higher quality if available. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective ways to make Udemy videos easier to watch on desktop.